Hey, where are we, Tina?
We are in Williamson County early voting today. Today is day number 1, and that's what this video is all about.
Get out and rock it.
To encourage you to get out and rock the vote wherever you live. Just get out and make it happen. If you do early voting, then you get to do it on your timetable, right? That way nothing happens day of that messes up your opportunity to go vote. So just get out and do it.
We're going to put a link below here. You can fill out where you live. It'll tell you where you can vote. I think it's different for early voting than on election day, but either way, check it out. So many people do not go out and vote in midterms, let alone any election,
yes.
Both in Tennessee and everywhere, and then we all want to complain about who got elected. So get out there and vote. And by the way, when you're voting, right there between the Republicans and the Democrat, there'll be a big red lever you pull down. It says vote for the Keil team, right? For Realtor of the Year and all that stuff, right? Blue lights go off, red lights go off, sirens go off. But listen, if you don't have that lever, if your precinct doesn't have that lever for some reason, then just call your friends and family, ask them if they're going to buy or sell, and get them connected with us. We sure do appreciate it.
Oh, guys, we're so appreciative that you tell your friends and family about us. Thank you so much for that.
We love you.
So
Thank you.
appreciate it.
See
Go
ya.
vote.
Bye.